Hello, everybody. I'm Andrew Flaherty. Nice to meet everyone. Hope to have a great class with you this semester on Roman Frontiers 57101. This is my second class I'll be taking with Professor Patterson, and I'm really excited about that. I previously took Armenian history with him last year. It was a great course. We actually learned quite a bit about Armenian connections to Rome early on in that class. And so looking forward to trying to make some more connections between Rome and Armenia, looking at the other side of the border, so to speak, in this class. So I'm part of the teacher program, as the professor mentioned. There's kind of a mix of people in this 14 student course. Hopefully, I'll see some of my colleagues. We've been taking several classes together for the past few semesters, so look forward to seeing you guys on the discussion boards. For everybody else, looking forward to interacting with you. But I teach at Joliet West. This is the start of my 19th year at that school. It's the first school that I started teaching at outside of after my undergrad. Been a good start. We started last week on Wednesday, so looking forward to seeing how I can budget my time with school starting and with this graduate class starting up on Monday. But hopefully it won't be an issue and be able to stay involved. Some of the things I'm looking forward to talking about, getting a little bit more information on, as the professor was saying, Rome and identifying the other. Since this is a class focused around Roman frontiers, he mentioned the point about hybrid cultures existing on the frontiers as Rome interacted with indigenous civilizations or civilizations on the outside of their borders. And so I thought that would be a really interesting subject to get more into, about how Romans identified themselves by looking at people that maybe they didn't consider civilized, or hmm, just overall, that just seems like an interesting concept. The other thing that I thought might be interesting to look more into is the idea of Roman connections to the United States. Um, the political divisions, internal social divisions, empire, hybrid cultures, language. It all just seems very interesting and relevant that we learn lessons from Rome and apply them to the United States. So that sounds hopefully is a concept and a topic we'll cover in class as well. But overall, looking forward to having a good semester with everyone, and see you on the discussion boards, as the professor would say.